Hi guys, ended up in the recycling centre at Thornbury today and filled my bag with junk. Cost me £1 what I got in here, and I will be unpopular with my wife. Okay, we've got a Bop It. I've already tried it, it's got batteries in it. Haven't checked to see what state they're in, but
Solo. I score 100. Bop it. Oh! Focus. Concentrate. I score 100. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Oh! Focus. Concentrate. Score 32.
okay, so that seems to work. Needs a bit of a clean. It will keep,
To start.
I'll say it will keep talking. I'll put it to one side anyway.
I'm going to sleep.
And then they've got this one too. Now, I've given this one a try. It did actually get locked up, making an incredible amount of noise, and I had to open the battery compartment and pull one of the batteries out to shut it up. But after that it seemed to work okay. The batteries are corroded in there, but this is exactly how it came out of the recycling centre. So
Bebop. Solo. Down. Game over.
yeah, it seems a bit.
Down. Dude. Box Pop.
Yeah, that's what it did. Those batteries really are a bit manky in there, so I think it needs a clean up.
Bummer. Box Pop. Flick it. Down. You're out. Spin it. Twist it. Down. Killer, dude. You're out.
Much too slow. Okay, so that one appears to work, although it did lock up. Might just need clean batteries in there, because, as I say, it's all a bit horrible in there. I've actually cleaned that one already. Well corroded. So, that's probably good enough. What else we got? Oh, just a tiny little bit of that flexi track. I thought I might as well have that anyway. Little guy. I thought you could sit in one of my toy cars, the radio controlled ones. Don't know if that will fit in that tractor. Might be a bit small for that. Oh, yeah, okay. Nerf gun. I don't do guns, don't do weapons, but I bought it. It's got a, well, we'll call it a laser. It's got a light, so it puts a red light on things. It's only a single shot. Seems to be a bit slow there, so I don't know if it works at all. I'll go and see if I've got a Nerf projectile, put it in there and try it. in a minute. What else we got? A mirror. Yeah, I think that's one of those ones that parents use so they can keep an eye on the children in the back seat when they're driving. And then finally, 2 little wind-up dogs. They don't even pretend to have legs, they've just got wheels underneath. So that one appears to work. This one, the front wheels are loose, so we're going to have to see if we can get it apart and put them back in place. Looks like there's just a little plastic clip in there that holds them in place. Yeah, it can't go because its wheels don't work. Yeah, we'll have to take it apart, see if we can get them back in. One screw there, one screw there. Can we do that while we're talking? One. Come on, boys. Yeah, it looks like that just clips in there. I think the plastic's, yeah, little loop's broken, but I just think that means we can still get it back in there. Yeah, might work. Probably put a hot soldering iron across it or something just to seal it back in place. Yeah, fixed. Yeah, great fun. Okay, I'll go and see if I can find a Nerf projectile for that, just give it a try, because that does seem a bit slow. Right, these should be the right ones. Oh, that worked. Let's see, we can store a couple of spares in there. Right. So, a successful day at the recycling centre. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.